experts at Middlesex University have an amazing depth of knowledge and experience.
I have been teaching accounting for about 20 years.
I was really, really grateful that I was able to benefit from the opportunity to talk about aspects of my business with them.
One of the key things that I took from that program is business decision.
Decision making is a dynamic skill, which is good because it means that we can improve it over time.
I learned that you need to explore so many things before you can make that decision.
The particular one that I enjoyed the most was the social media ones, and as a result I've looked into Google advertising, which I'd never looked at before. Through his guidance and advice, I'm now using Google as a very successful tool.
Numbers could tell you the story of your business, and that is accounting, and finance could develop that story.
Help me develop my business from the accountancy side. It's make it easier for me to see the numbers, and after I can really see what programs or packages or session to sell. So it was really helpful.
Stick around, because there's always something you might learn that you didn't know before.
If you choose to be successful, you will definitely get to that destination.